Good morning to everyone. 12th standard Biobotany Genetics Chapter 2. Chapter 2 Biobotany le Chapter 2 Classical Genetics we will discuss. Class we will discuss to this intergeneric gene interactions. Class we discussed this intergeneric gene interactions. So last video I said that hybrid cross into gene interactions. So now we are discussing this intragenic interactions. Okay, now we are discussing this intragenic gene interactions. Intra means same molecules. The interactions between these same molecules that is called intra. That is called intra. Inter. Inter meaning different molecules. Different molecules. Yeah, interactions takes place between the alleles at different molecules, different chromosomes. Okay, different chromosomes that reactions takes place between the genes. What are the reactions? So a dominant epistaxis. Dominant epistaxis. Do you know that epistaxis means? Epistatis means in these interactions, a gene marks the expression of another non-allelic gene. Epistatics means a gene interactions, the gene marks the expression of another non-allelic gene. Another non-allelic gene. That one. You see that it is the interaction in which two alleles are here. One molecules, two alleles are here. So interfere and suppress or mask the phenotype. This one is mask the phenotypic expression of different pair of alleles. Different pair of alleles of another gene at another locules. So next one it is epistatics and hyperstatics. Epistatic. Epistatic mean the effective gene is called epistatic. Effective gene means which gene it express the or suppress the phenotypic gene. Okay, phenotypic expression of gene at another locals. It is called as epistatics. So we called out effective gene. Yeah, that is called as epistatics. Whose gene express or interfere for this non-allelic gene that is called this hypostatic. That is called hypostatic. So that means the effective gene is called epistatic while the affected gene is called as hypostatic. You understand? Epistatic and hypostatic. Hypostatic mean hypostatic means it is the affected gene. Epistatics means so the gene suppress the most phenotypic expression of gene at another locus is known as epistatic. So which gene or whose expression infected by non-allelic gene, it is called as hypostatics. Both genes are present in same ligands. Yeah, same ligands. Both genes are present in same ligands. The phenotype is determined by epistatic gene, not by this hypostatic gene. Epistatic gene, not by the hypostatic gene. So best example you take for this Sambarkash. So it is a parent gene. So already you know this parent combinations are so capital W, small capital W, capital G, capital G. But it is that parent combinations is here. Just you find out what is capital W, small g, small w, capital G, capital G. So what is the meaning? One gene is Moss to this, another allelic gene. So which one it is epistatic, which one it is compostatic, you know that. So the gametes is formation at the form during this meiosis, gametes are formed capital W, small g, small w, capital G. So this white fruit it will be formed in the F1 generation. So it is a heterozygous one. It is selfed. It will be selfed. Capital W, small w, capital G, small g. Selfed. What will happen? 16, 8 gametes are formed. Okay. So that is the F1 generation. 12. 12 is white in color. 12 is white in. 12 is white in and 3 is yellow and 1 is green. 12 is to 3 is to 1. 12 is to 3 is to 1. So what will happen in that the Sambarkash? So you see that for that in Sambarkush fruit plant. So dominant allele is capital W, dominant allele is capital W, and white color is recessive allele for this small w. White color recessive for this to small color. So the capital W is dominant over to this yellow color. Okay, white color is dominant over to this yellow color. ஸோ அப்போ என்ன அர்த்தம் கேபிட்டல் டபிள்யூ என்ன செஞ்சிருது ஸ்மால் டபிள்யூ உருவாகிறத மறைச்சிருது ஓகே டாமினன்ட் தட் மாஸ் த எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் ஆஃப் எனி கலர் மேபி yellow white any yellow green any color okay so because of this is the dominant after w is the dominant so recessive allele G for green fruit recessive allele G for green fruit is here in the white fruit but it is not denoted so second locus yellow is dominant to the green so white fruit with the genotype capital W small g and white fruit it is that genotypic ratio is genotypic is small w capital G so at the formation of the gamete formation at the formation of gametes so capital W small w capital G so F1 generation is heterozygous one capital W small w capital G small g so when the F1 hybrids it will be self what will happen so that is the white is 12 white 3 yellow 1 green so what will happen in this that so it is the gene the capital W is epistatic to this epistatic do you know that epistatic means gene is most the expression of another non-allelic gene so the allelic gene is that capital W is mask over that okay allele is mask over the small w so capital W is epistatic to the alleles of this capital G and small g so white which is dominant. White which is dominant. White is dominant. So and what's the effect of this yellow and green? Yellow and green. So homozygous recessive small w genotype only can give the colored fruit only. Double recessive capital small g will give this green fruit. Okay, only one fruits are here. Only one fruit. Only one fruits are here. This plants having only capital G is genotype will gives the yellow fruit. Capital G denoted this capital G. Okay, capital G எங்கெங்கெல்லாம் இருக்கோ அதெல்லாம் yellow fruits. Small w small g it's a green. So other capital W and capital G. So others it will be this white. So totally 12 is to 3 is to 1 ratio. So I understand. So next we discussed this. Phenotypic ratio white fruit 12 is to 3 is to 1. So next one it is intragenic interactions and intergenic interactions. So finally gene interactions example phenotypic ratio incomplete dominance 1 is to 2 is to 1. क्या Snapdragon as well as Naples Chalaba. Co-dominance ABO blood group 1:2:1. So introgenic dominant epistatic fruit color in Samberquist 12:3:1. Recessive epistatics 9:3:1. And duplicate genes of cumulative effect. Fruit shape in Samberquist 9:3:1. Next complementary genes. Flower color in sweet pears 9:7. Incubator genes. Leaf color in rice plants 13:3. Duplicate genes. Do you know that's complementary genes? So complementary genes means flower color in sweet pears. Say does the two separate pairs of genes interact to produce the phenotype in such a way that neither of the dominant genes is expressed unless the other one is present. So it means the effect is one dominant gene must be complemented by this another dominant gene for expression. So thus the dominant phenotypic is expressed only when dominant genes of both pairs are present. So this is that complementary genes. So next one it is that supplementary genes, for example grain color in mice. Supplementary genes means here also two allelic gene pairs control the phenotypic expression of a trait, but dominant gene of one pair is expressed itself only when the dominant gene of the other pair is present. Only one gene, okay, only one gene it will be expressed, other one dominant gene is present, only present here. Whereas the dominant gene of the other pair is expressed even the absence of the dominant gene of the first pair. So the best example, grain color in maize. Okay. So next one it is incubator genes. Okay. So understand incubator gene leaf color. Okay. Leaf color in rice plants 13:3. Duplicate genes. Duplicate genes seed shape in 50:1. 50:1. So duplicate genes means in these studies the Pal Shepherd's purse capsula purse of plastic subsorbed modified ratio of 50:1. It may be controlled that fruit shape in the plant is controlled by two genes. Okay, fruit shape எது control பண்ணா two genes. The presence of dominant gene yields a triangular fruit. Okay, triangular fruit, but the presence of dominant alleles of both the genes is not necessary. Presence of dominant allele of even one gene is sufficient. If A and B or two genes are here, triangular capsules will be obtained on the plants having genotype AA, capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B, capital A, capital A, capital B, small b, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital A, small a, small b, small b, small a, small a, capital B, small b. Yeah, so only those plants Google genotypes small a, small a, small b, small b will appear as drop shaped fruits. Thus the ratio is 50:1. Okay, sorry, understand.